how to play Minecraft Java Edition on iOS. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To install and play Minecraft Java Edition, you need to visit a specific website. Simply go to this GitHub website and you will see this launcher is a Minecraft Java Edition launcher for both Android and iOS based on Boardwalk. The repository contains the source code for iOS and iPad OS platforms. You can also read the introduction on their site. PojavLauncher allows you to play Minecraft Java Edition on Android and iOS. The developers also provide system requirements. At minimum, you will need iOS 14 or later and one of the following devices: iPhone 6s or later, iPad 5th generation, iPad Air or iPad mini. If your device isn't listed, you can still play using the IPA file method. Now, for the installation process, you will need to install the IPA file using TrollStore, FlexStore, or any IPA signer app. First, click on the Releases section on the website. After clicking, you will see a new interface. Scroll down until you find the IPA file. Then click on it to download. I have already downloaded it, so now I'll show you how to install it. Open your IPA signer app. I'm using FlexStore for this tutorial. Click on it, go to Signer and select the IPA file you downloaded for Minecraft. Once you've selected the file, click on Sign App. After the signing process is complete, the app will be installed on your iOS device. To complete the installation, you'll need a certificate which you can obtain directly through FlexStore. After you have the certificate, you'll be able to use the game launcher. Here's my installed game launcher. Open it, log in with your account and click play. You'll see a list of different Minecraft versions available to play. You can select any version and start playing the game easily. So that's basically how you can play Minecraft Java Edition on iOS. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.